Struggling to spot clean reversal entries that still follow the main trend? Let me show you a simple strategy that gives you trend confirmation and clear arrows for entry. This setup uses two tools. 1. MA angle. It shows whether the trend is truly strong. When the bars turn green, you look for buys. When they turn red, you look for sells. 2nd, MA bands. Similar to Bollinger Bands but smoother, and it prints arrows when price stretches too far from the mean. Buy rules. Trend must be bullish on MA angle. Price dips below the lower band, an up arrow appears. Sell rules. Trend must be bearish. Price moves above the upper band. A down arrow appears. Set your stop loss beyond the recent fractal, and exit when price closes on the opposite outer band. Keep risk tight. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. The fractal-based stop helps you stay disciplined and avoid oversized losses. If you want a clean rule-based system that catches trend reversals with confidence, try this one out. Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download the indicators and templates for free.